Blind spot monitoring rearview mirror installation tutorial. This installation is very simple. You don't need to remove the door panel, just remove the mirror. There are tools inside. Let's take it apart by hand first. Don't use any tools at this time. You must press the lens first. Press it to the left side and press it to the bottom, and then you can pry it up. After prying it up, stick your hand in like this. Then touch the plastic and break it hard. Then it will come off. This is what it looks like after breaking it. The first thing to do is, first, unplug the heating wire plug. Okay, heating wire. The heating wire has no polarity as long as it is powered on, because later, we need to plug it into the blind spot lens. Then unplug this plug. This plug, you can use the small tool in the package and poke the buckle. And then you can pull it out. Keep this for yourself later. This is your original cars. I've marked it for you. Left and right. The passenger side is right, which is R. And then like this. This is ready to be installed. Before installation, we need to do a preparation. Remove the motor, because we need to get power from here. Remove the very long screw in the middle. Then the entire motor can be taken down. Pull out the plug of the motor here. There is a wire bundle that is end-to-end inside the lens. This wire bundle only needs to be connected in series. Plug the male connector into the female connector of the motor. Then insert the remaining one into the motor. Then the other end to the adapter. When it's powered on, the light on the lens will flash. In unpaired state, the unpaired state is now on. Now it's like it's powered on. At this time, insert the heating wire. The heating wire has no polarity. You just need to plug in the two ends. In this way, your rear view mirror also has heating function. Here's something to note. Hide the wires. Just hide it along the way. Then put the screw back. Tighten the wheel. At this time, pay attention. First, put the wireless receiving board. The wireless receiving board should be hidden under the motor. Align it. Just insert a lens into it. It all snaps. After clamping, as long as it doesn't loosen, it's already installed tightly. At this time, tear it off. The same method is used on both sides. This side is already installed. After installation, we can enter the mini program to pair, and you can use it.